Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Painting Hyun. Today we are gonna start painting Bougainvillea flowers. First step, wetting the paper, sky and flowers area. Okay. Look carefully my paper. I leave small negative space between sky and flowers for highlight flower area. And take some ultramarine deep, mix Prussian blue, putting on the sky area. Move your brush very quick and smoothly. Tilt the paper. Take some ultramarine deep, adding on the sky area. Tilt the paper. Touch the paper here and there. Tilt the paper again. Wow, look at that! That colors will be spread by themselves. Next, take some sap green, mix yellow ochre, paint on the tree far in the distance. First touching very lightly and then pick up some brown, bluish color. Next, move on to flower area. Pick up some bright violet. Still, this flower area very wet, so just touching the paper, the colors spread, and here and there. Okay, look at that space. I leave some negative space, sky and flowers, between sky and flowers. Can you see it? Take some more thicker bright violet and touching on brush stroke, push the brush side and then some part using the tip of the brush. Take some ultramarine deep mix and bright violet, adding on the flower dark area. Just touching the paper, use the tip of the brush. They will spread each other, so make it very interesting and beautiful colors. Next, move on to chimney. Draw some lines on the chimney area. Use a small tiny brush. This is a window. It's daytime, so we need to paint window dark color, because we cannot see inside. This is ultramarine deep. Ultramarine deep mix sap green. Paint on the leaves. Move on to shirt. Shirt's viridian mix, Prussian blue, and permanent green. I like this color. Yeah, very beautiful. This kind of oceanside color. Next, move on to underground. Here is the shadow area. So take some ultramarine dip. This is the shadow color, ultramarine dip mix, some of bright violet. This is a shadow under the roof and under the shutter. This is the shadow from tree. I want to share with you one important thing. In the watercolor painting, make a plan of which colors you will use before you start your painting. If you are using wet-on-wet technique, while you think which color will choose, which color I will use, the paper will become dry. So before you start, you have to decide what color I will use. Okay? Because we use many part of the watercolor, we use wet-on-wet technique. So paper dry or not dry yet, that is very important thing. Okay. This is the vine-like trunk. This vine twist, and yeah, not the straight lines. So when you brush stroke, use twist, and some part disconnect line to line. This is the vine trunk shadow. Take some burnt sienna, paint on the ground area. Burnt sienna mix yellow ochre, paint on the ground. Adding on the ground ultramarine deep. Use a horizontal line and some part kind of dots. Draw some line on the wall. I'm not using a continuous line of color for the wall, but lines that start and stop variation. It will make it looking natural. Some flowers just dotting on the paper. Get some burnt sienna mix ultramarine deep. Electric fork and electric lines. I'm using burnt sienna mix ultramarine deep color. Just using a tip of the brush. If you have a thinner brush, you can use it, but I want to use this brush. Little bit draw thicker, but I'm okay. You can use thinner brush than this, okay? Next, I'd like to draw a lot of birds. I hope these birds bring to you happiness and bring to me happiness. Okay, today's painting all done. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.